now you've got a great looking title block, it's time to start adding some drawings to your page. In this lesson, we'll show you how to go through your job, pick out the scenes you want to add, and how to add them to the paper and move them around. To start with, we'll return to the room's plan view. From here, we can right click on the background, select to drawing. We'll then go back to the drawings page and we'll see there is a new scene available to choose from. You can then add the scene to the drawing by simply clicking, holding and dragging it out into the middle of the page. You can also do this same process from the elevation view. You can then make the scene bigger or smaller manually by sizing it by clicking on the corners. Or right clicking on the scene, selecting scale, and then choosing the scale you would like. Next we can make another scene, this time from the 3D view. As you can see, I've sent this drawing to the page and it's in full colour, and it appears as though it did in our job. What we can also do is right click on the background and select properties. We can change the to drawing setting from bitmap to hidden line. We'll make another scene by again right clicking and selecting to drawing. As you can see, we now have sent a line drawing to the drawings page and it's in black and white. What you send to the drawings page depends on what layer settings you have set. To give an example of this, I'll go to our plan view, right click, properties, and head to the layers tab. There are light bulbs and pencils next to each layer. The light bulb is which layer you'll see in that particular view, and the pencil is which layers will be sent to the drawing scene. I'll click on the wall's pencil and it will turn grey. I'll go back to my job, and as you can see, because I did not hit the light bulb, the wall is still there. However, I'll right click and send to drawing, and as you can see, the wall is now gone. We'll go back and turn the wall back on before we forget. Any scenes we send to the drawings page will appear here. These are what we call the available scenes. When these scenes are there, you'll see possibly two symbols. The first is this tick. This tick is Cabinet Vision's way of letting you know that the scene is being used on a page. It will also result in the fact that you will be unable to remove the scene from the available scenes until you first find it on the scenes page and delete it. As you can see, the tick has now disappeared, and I'm able to select Remove Scene. The other common symbol is this asterisk. It's to let you know that something on your view has been changed. For example, if I go and change this cabinet to a set of drawers, go back to my drawings page, you'll now see an asterisk to indicate that something has changed. This is just some information so you may know if you want to update your drawings page and to ensure that your drawing is the most up-to-date plans ready for your client and factory. Spend a bit of time now, play around with adding scenes to your drawings, get used to those couple of little symbols we went across, have a play around with moving the scenes around the page and playing with the scale option and just your manual resizing. Also have a bit of a play around with the layers tab, ensuring if you do turn any of the light bulbs or pencils off, you switch them back on so you don't forget. Once you're done with that, come back. We'll look at adding a little bit of extra information to your page using some CAD functionality.